Now finished 24-piece set in burgundy and gold with rhinestones, the center Trinidad. So this is really cute. Love it, like so cute and nice and shiny. So I put it in one of my jewelry boxes and that would do it for today. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how I did this burgundy and gold glitter set with some rhinestones. So we're going to start off by prepping the nails, and I'm doing that by using some primer. And the reason we prep the nails is to take the shine off so that the gel polish adheres to the nail better. If you're new here, my name is Shameen, and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So first I'm going in with this gold glitter polish from Dulce Nail Sprinkles, and I'll do a couple coats of it just to make sure the entire nail is covered with the gold glitter. When I'm doing a 24-piece set, I usually start with the largest size nails, which is size 0, and I work my way down to the smallest nail, which is size 11. Of course, you don't have to do it in a particular order. You can do your 24-piece set however it works for you. So next I'm going in with the burgundy color. It's actually called Mulberry and it's from iGel Beauty. And as you can see, it's pretty transparent, so I had to go into about 3 to 4 coats of this just to get it covered. So I will speed up the video here because it's just basically me putting the gold glitter on the rest of the nails as well as the burgundy color. And when I was finished with that, I decided to top coat these nails because they were a little bumpy. And usually I use builder gel, but this time I decided to use some top coat to encapsulate, and then I will try to smooth it out with a buffer. So yeah, I'm going in with a couple more coats of this burgundy polish just to make sure that nail is opaque. And as you can see here now, I am buffing that top layer of top coat on the gold glitter nails just to make sure the nail is nice and smooth for my client. So once I'm done buffing the nails smooth, I'm going to take my brush and take off any excess dust on these nails. Then I'm going to wipe them down with some alcohol to make sure that they are clean. And right after that, I'm going to be applying my no white top coat to these nails, and we're going to be setting them aside, and we're going to start the next batch of nails. Since you're doing a whole lot more nails in a 24-piece set, when you're finished with one batch of nails and you're satisfied with how they look, I suggest you top coat them and set them aside so that you have less nails to worry about. So I typically work in batches of 4 or 8 when doing 20 or 24-piece sets. So now let's move on, and this is one of the burgundy nails, and as you can see, we're going to be basically putting some rhinestones on the nail around the cuticle area and going up the side of the nail. And I'm using iGel Beauty's jewelry gel in order to apply these rhinestones. It's a very thick, strong gel, and it's also no wipe, although I still put my no wipe top coat over it. So yeah, I'm using my trusty toothpick to apply the gel on, and then we're just gonna put those rhinestones on the nails. And this is actually in real time, so you can see how slow I actually work. So which is why most of my videos are sped up just for the sake of time. So we'll just be speeding it up here, and after I place these stones, I'm going to put the little gold caviar beads in between them to make them look a bit more elegant. I am actually using an inspo pic my client sent me. This is the inspo pic here, but instead of the nude color, she wanted the burgundy color, I guess to match a dress or an outfit that she was going to be wearing. So placing these caviar beads, it does take up a lot of time, but this time was so worth it because caviar beads just make nail sets look so much better. So I'll just be applying this to the nails. I'm just making sure everything is in place before I cure it in the UV lamp for about 60 seconds. So once that is done, here I am doing the rest of the burgundy nails, and I will be putting some rhinestones on. So we'll just go through this, and I'll let you enjoy me applying the polish on these nails for like a few minutes or less than a minute, I'm not sure. So now I'm applying some jewelry gel again to the nails, and this rhinestone design is going to be a slightly different pattern, but what is consistent is the rhinestones with the caviar beads in between them throughout the entire set. So we'll just be doing the rest of nails with the rhinestone and caviar bead accents, and then I will check back in when the set is done. So now we're applying top coat to the last batch of nails, and then we're going to see the finished set. And this is it right here, 24-piece set, gold, glitter and burgundy set with rhinestones and caviar beads, and this looks so amazing. And you know, I'm really in love with this set. It is so cute. So now time for packaging. I've already placed my double-sided tape in this jewelry box. I got the jewelry box off of Amazon.com. I can't remember the exact dimensions, but I will put the link to the box in the description below. So I will be adding these nails into the box. I'm starting from the biggest size nail, which is size 0, and I'm going all the way down to size 11, which is the smallest size nail. So once I'm finished putting all the nails into the box, I'm going to check them again. I will be cleaning the nails so that they are nice and shiny to send to my client. And of course, this nail set comes with everything you need to apply press-on nails, which is your glue, your nail file, your cuticle pusher, and the alcohol pads. So I was just checking out the set here one last time. I took a few pictures of it, and then of course I go out into the sunlight to get a decent video of it for you all to see how it looks. So that would be it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more nail content, and I'll see you in the next one.